Here's how to completely disable background apps on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the start button and then click on apps and features or installed apps for Windows 11. And then you want to search for the apps in here that could run in the background. So for example, if you click on any app, you should see uninstall option or modify or move option. And then sometimes advanced options like this. So you want to click on this advanced options. And then in here, you should see app permissions and then background apps. Now, if this is turned on, that means the app can run in the background. So you usually want to turn this off for the app to prevent it from running in the background. Now you can go back, and if you can't see this on any other app, that means it does not run in the background unless if you run it and use it, otherwise it's closed completely. Now, there is a second method to turn all background apps completely for Windows 11 only, unfortunately, but for Windows 10, it requires modifying registry. So first for Windows 10, you gotta right click on the start button and then go to settings. And then you wanna go to privacy and then scroll all the way down and click on background apps. And then at the top here, you can see let apps run in the background. So if you turn this off, all the apps cannot run in the background. Now you can also leave it on and turn specific apps off or prevent them from running in the background if you want. So for me, I'm gonna turn them off everything. And now you can close this window. Now for Windows 11, you will need to modify the registry. So you wanna right click on the start button and then click on run. And in here, you wanna type regedit and then press enter and confirm to open the registry. And then you will need to navigate to computer H local machine, which is this one. And then you want to go to the software folder and then you want to go to policies. So you want to search for policies, expand this and then expand Microsoft. And then you want to expand Windows and then app privacy under Windows. Now, if you don't see app privacy folder, you can create one entry, but this is specifically for Windows 11. So under Windows folder, you want to right click and click new and then key and then call this app privacy like this. Press enter and then you want to right click while selecting this app privacy folder, right click on the right side, new, and then dword 32-bit value. And then you want to call this let apps run in background. Press enter and then open it. Select hexadecimal and let it select or type 0 if you want to disable the apps running in the background, and 1 if you want to let the apps run in the background, and then press OK once you set the value. Now you can simply close this and reboot your computer. Now, if that still did not disable the apps from running in the background, you can come back to the registry again and change this entry. Double click on the let apps run in the background and then set it to hexa and the value to 2 instead of 0. Press OK and then try to reboot your PC again. And that should completely prevent the apps from running in the background. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.